Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. Yes, this week brings me to Rhode Island for a drone meetup. And I'm out here with Novice Quads. You know I'm always with Novice Quads. You know, those guys are at it again. But we're out here, like I said, for a drone meetup. And Mark Fisher, he's hosting this meetup. We got a bunch of guys here today. We got guys flying FPV. We got guys flying regular camera drones. Guys are doing their thing. I'm about to go over here and catch up with Novice Quads, and I'll see you in a few minutes. And here goes Novice Quads over here with the guys flying FPV. So what's going on, guys? What's going on?
How are you?
All right, how you guys doing? Guys having a good time flying
Those
FPV?
guys are at it again.
Guys having a good time flying FPV?
Yes, man. Yes, we're having a lot of fun here.
Okay. All right.
Man, definitely. You making the rounds through here?
Yeah, I'm coming around. I'm going to meet everybody here at the meetup.
Introduce yourself, man, on camera so people know who you are.
I'm Bob Fiore, YouTube channel, do some drones, some other stuff, check it out.
Okay.
I'm still learning about FPV. I don't fly FPV.
Yet.
Local member of Ridmug, Renowned Drone Meetup Group, and my channel is Michael Blades FPV. That's Herman.
All right.
Right, I'm Abe. Like to fly FPV, but never flown one before. Just learning with these guys right here. Very curious about these machines.
So what'd you say, 4 years ago?
Rhode Island Drone Meetup Administrator.
Yeah, I've been flying.
I love my MP2.
Hey, I'm Ken Jansick. My channel is Shooter FPV. I do a lot of flying, do a lot of building, a lot of build videos. FPV, I also do aerial photography with Matt Air. Part of the Rhode Island Drone Meetup Group, and we're here to fly.
Okay. Okay, I'm glad to see you guys having a good time.
How you doing? I'm part of Rhode Island Drone Meetup Group. New to the game, about 4 months in. I fly the Mavic Air 2, but I'm learning about the FPV. This is amazing.
Is this Captain Ray?
Hey, I'm flying the bird. I got the Air 2S up, Herman.
All right.
It's right there.
Having a good time? So how you enjoying yourself out here in Rhode Island? All right. Yeah, you put your drone up?
Hey, Herman, what's happening, buddy?
So what's going on, man? Oh, we got Billy over here.
Yeah.
What up?
What's up, Billy? So Mark, man, thanks for inviting us out here to Rhode Island for this meetup, man. Very good meetup. A lot of guys, met a lot of guys. Oh man, I met a lot of guys.
Yeah,
Guys I never met before, guys that know me from YouTube, guys that saw Facebook, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man, it was a pleasure to have New York City with us here. It's a pleasure to have you here, brother.
Thank you.
And, you know, I mean, this is a Rhode Island drone meetup, but I wanted to invite other cities like New York City, you know what I mean? And guys in Massachusetts and all over the place.
Yeah, real good
we got
turnout.
people from Florida here, and
Yeah, we had guys from Florida,
over 60 people.
Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
New York,
Yep.
Rhode Island, Massachusetts, all over the place.
It's amazing, man. It's our first annual meetup too.
That's the kind of community we have. You know?
Yeah.
Really
The
good
drone
guys,
community is
really good guys.
Definitely family kind of oriented technology that we're in. You know what I mean? Drone flying, and you know, these guys all talk online, and then when you have these meetups, we get to meet each other in person. So that's amazing. You know what I mean? And when everybody can come together and be on one accord, sort of like, you know, and have the same mind frame. You know?
Well, I expect to see a lot of new faces or a lot of new names in my live stream. So
yeah, absolutely.
Like
man.
I said, thanks for having me.
Oh man, it was
Thank
a pleasure,
you,
brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here, bro.
I'm about to get up out of here.
All right, man.
Head back to my hotel.
Are you flying or are you driving?
Well, I'm driving to the hotel. We're gonna hang out tonight, and we'll fly probably tomorrow again, and I'll drive back down to the city.
All right, man. Well, have a safe trip. Be blessed, brother.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll see you
Later.
soon.
Peace.
All right. That was my time here in Rhode Island at the meetup, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below, and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.